Hi, vlog. Hi. Ayan, roaming around Nalian Garden, Diamond Hill. Hi. Happy Sunday to all. Hi. Today, naisipan namin na mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Nalian Garden ng Diamond Hill with my teammates, my friend, my companion. Now, we are here in Nalian Garden. This is Nalian Garden. They are my companion. The two of them. Hi. This is Nalian Garden. It's my first time, you know. That's why I make my first vlog here. So that I have take some photos, remembrance.
Picture nga ro
Here. Wait.
Picture na kami sa niya.
Picture daw. Kaya bye-bye. See you again later.